Hey guys, welcome back. I'm standing out here in the sun because it's stinking cold. Um, but sun feels good. Almost feels like it's 70 degrees, even though it's only 32. So yeah, I'm out here sanding again. Trying to stay warm, but doing all that exercise sanding seems to help. So if you need an excuse to do some exercise, sanding probably is something you should look at. Maybe you can come help me. Anyway, let's go take a quick look at what we've been doing. So last time I showed you about the front. We got that all dialed in. I also basically fixed these areas here, which were a little funny looking. So we actually got some good shot lines. They need to be finalized, but we'll get in there and get that done. Back here, we did the engine cover. So we got the engine cover gaps looking good, and also here with the rear quarter. And you can see the lines are really tight, and people did make comments, which I always appreciate, that I have to bear in mind that there's going to be paint on these gaps, so I might want to widen them out. That was the plan all along, but it sure is important to keep that in mind, that you can't make them too tight. Then you'll get it painted, and then it'll scrape on everything, and that would be not good. The other thing I did was I got these printed. So obviously there's a line here because my printer's not big enough, so that'll get glued. But I think if I can do this without it falling down, that'll give it a nice finished look. So tell me what you think in the comments. I like the hexagonal pattern that they have all around the car, and so when these are sanded and body worked and then painted black, I think they'll look pretty good. So I've done this for this side, and then I've also done the other side. Then moving over here, I've done the sail panel on this side. So as you can see, we've tucked it in nicely like we did on the other side. Got a few other things to tidy up, but that's looking pretty good. And then here's the last corner down here that I've gone ahead and body worked, or well, put filler on. This again is Duraglass, which has glass fibers in it, and I also impregnated this with some carbon fiber where I have maybe a little thicker body filler than I probably should have. So that'll at least give it some strength. Remembering I sand most of this off anyway, but it's just an extra precaution to make sure that I don't have hunks of body filler falling off the car, which would be embarrassing. So that's a quick update, everybody. I hope you like the progress we're making, and hopefully I'll get another video out as soon as I can. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and we'll see you next time. Bye.